Shivaram, what are you writing? Good. Next. Write down. Okay. E. Next E. Rendo E rai nana. Okay. Next E rai. Rendo E rai. I will correct it. You first of all you write down.
Okay, just listen.